So this is the kind of thing that seems to happen when those people in charge try and lock things down. Kids know a lot more about technology than a bunch of boomers, it seems. So we had VPNs topping the download charts as age verification law kicks in the UK. So the Online Safety Act kicked in recently, which has affected a whole bunch of websites. Even Wikipedia is affected by this, but so is Spotify, Reddit, X, a whole bunch of websites. And guess what? Kids are using VPNs. And now, what is the government trying to do? They want to stop children using VPNs. So the government needs to stop children using VPNs to bypass age checks on various websites. So she has said that this is absolutely a loophole that needs closing and called for age verification on VPNs. So you may very soon have to verify your age when you use various VPNs. Again, it sounds like people in charge of this kind of stuff don't seem to understand how technology works, because some VPN providers like Molvad VPN and Proton VPN allow you to create very anonymous accounts. Thank goodness that the UK has backed down in the Apple privacy row, the US has said. So now we can have proper encryption on Apple devices in the UK once again, whereas the UK government wanted to have access to everyone's data, including yours, even though you don't live in the UK. Let's hope something like this happens with this kind of story, because they're not happy that VPNs are the most downloaded apps on the App Store. So she says, of course, we need age verification on VPNs. It's absolutely a loophole that needs closing, and that's one of my major recommendations. So there's this long document with recommendations, including the fact that they say there's a problem that children are finding a way to circumvent the new rules that are meant to address a whole bunch of problems. So they recommend that the government commit to exploring what measures could be taken to prevent children from using VPNs to circumvent provisions in the Online Safety Act. So this would be achieved by amending the Online Safety Act to bring in an additional provision which would require VPN providers in the UK to put in place highly effective age assurance to screen underage users and prevent them from accessing various websites. But I don't think this is going to work, and it's affecting the privacy and cybersecurity of millions, billions, if you like, of people around the world. Seems like we're just going down a slippery slope here where they try and implement something, but it's implemented really badly. They realize there's a problem. Now they want to implement something else. Are they going to just try and outright ban VPNs in the UK? Seems crazy to me, but what are your thoughts?